Hello respectable audience, you have this question in front of you. It's 20 divided by 2 times parenthesis 5 plus 5. Let us handle this question. It's so simple because 5 plus 5 gives us 10. Here is 2. 2 times 10 gives us 20. 20 divided by 20 is 1. 1 will be our answer for this simple math question. But remember that this one answer is not correct. Why it is not correct? Because we have not followed any order of operation. So first of all we have to follow order of operation, then we will be able to get it correctly. PEMDAS is the order, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction is the basic rule to handle such types of question which involves different functions. So parenthesis will be our first step. Here is parenthesis. We will solve first parenthesis. Here is multiplication, so 5 plus 5 gives us 10. Now we have this portion, multiplication and division, or division and multiplication. Remember that these are same, but we have to move from left to right. Means 20 divided by 2 will be handled first because it is at left. So we will get 10 times that will be taken as it is. So after multiplication we will be able to get 100 as our answer for this question. Thank you for your good support, your valuable comments.